Using Dasher Direct virtual card at ATM is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can use Dasher Direct's virtual card at the ATM. Well, the process is pretty simple. Suppose you have a Dasher Direct virtual card which should look something like that. Now you want to add this type of card into your ATM. So how will you be able to do it? Well, the process is pretty simple. You just need to add this card into your Apple Wallet. So every virtual card has some details which contain the card number, expiry date, CVV. You just have to put these details into your Apple Wallet. Once you have your card into your Apple Wallet, you can use it anywhere. Now, using it at ATM is still quite difficult because you just have to make sure to find an ATM having NFC scanner. There are some ATMs that have NFC scanners, but make sure these are the legitimate. So if I go to images and there are some ATMs, as you can see, it can allow you to NFC scan or tap your card. Just make sure you go to this ATM, use Apple Wallet to tap it, and then you can use ATM to withdraw money from your Dash Direct's virtual card. So that's pretty much it. That's how you'll be able to do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.